All right, good morning. We're here at the mouth again. Bunch of people. Let's see if I can actually get a steel, or actually a salmon instead of a steelhead. Let's see. Case. Nice.
I threw it back in.
Alright, besides your case.
I've been seeing he's one of the, one of the best here.
No.
They're all good. Yeah.
Yep. I got you, brother.
They're nice.
There you go. You're welcome.
Take me for a ride, but I got them. Then once you want to send your stuff case, if your stuff turn around, fix it here at the back. Don't fix it while you're in there. Okay. And kind of giving you all tickets that. Come on, big.
Fish on. Hey.
Watch out, Chuck.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, fish coming up. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's the one I just lost, man.
Oh, he's not coming up, coming down. Fish coming down. Oh, fish off. Damn. He popped it. Well, that was a big one I lost. Gotta get back out there and get them. There it is. Fish on. Get up. Get up. Yeah. There it is. Oh, victory beer time now. There it is, right in the mouth. Woo. Look at this, my first Klamath mouth salmon. Probably about 8 to 10 pounds. Perfect hook set on a drift, right in the mouth. There it is. Let's go. Thank you to El Capitan Fernando. Yeah, let's go.